You may remember about 2 months ago we had a ficus come in that was infested with scale. It was really bad. Actually the plant was still doing pretty well, but there was gooey, sticky all over the whole plant and every leaf was crusted with scale. So Will and I basically chopped the plant down to about 1/3 of its original size. And then we sprayed it with alcohol and gave it a good transplant, and found that there were a bunch of interesting larvae in the soil, which I'd never really seen before. I assume that's an indication of not very healthy soil. And anyway, we sprayed it down multiple times at about 10-day intervals or so with alcohol to continue killing the scale. And Will wiped it down multiple times with just paper towels, just kind of scraping that scale off of there. And now I feel like we have a pretty healthy plant on our hands. So I'm actually preparing it to go back to its owner now that we know that it's going to survive. I wasn't sure there for a minute, but ficus seemed to be pretty resilient, so I'm very happy with the results of this. There is a possibility of reinfestation on this plant. I think we've killed pretty much everything alive, but all it takes is 1 or 2 little guys to repopulate the whole original population. As you can see on this leaf, there's this little brown spot right here, and I think that's a dead one, but it's possible that there's some of those that are still alive. So I would not say that this plant is 100% pest free, but it's as good as we're gonna get it, and the original owner is gonna continue on with the care and the preventative maintenance on it. So you can see a little bit right there. I think those are all dead. I've sprayed it down with alcohol, but I am gonna wipe it down with a paper towel again before I send it home. A little bit there too. So it's just kind of continued maintenance. It's like a flea infestation. They rehatch about every 7 to 10 days, so you have to kill the cycle. Anyway, another success story by Rogue Flora Recovery, and we hope that you guys found it helpful.